Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imani and you are watching Faith by Design. Happy November. I'm so excited that we are now in a new month. This is November, my birthday month. And also we have Thanksgiving, Black Friday, lots of fun things happening in November. So this is my favorite month of the year. I'm so excited and ready for the holidays and I can't wait to do all of the things. We have just finished Halloween and we had a great time carving pumpkins. And my daughter had like a little play date with a few of her friends and they came over and they played games and just had fun. So it was a nice time. I wanted to go ahead and stuff our savings challenges from my last paycheck, which was in October, but I didn't have a chance to film. So let's go ahead and get into this video. I hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if this is your first time watching, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. And I hope you'll stick around, like, subscribe, and all those things. Today we are stuffing 3 challenges. We're stuffing the 1K challenge, save $1,000 in 90 days. And that's what I'll be doing for this last quarter of the year. We've already completed this challenge one time and I'll leave the link. I did find this challenge on Etsy. It's very simple and to the point and I love it. So we're going to try to save $1,000 in 90 days to help build up our emergency fund. So we also are going to do the Christmas challenge, which I shall be finishing that in this video. And we're going to start a new challenge, which I'll tell you about later in this video. So let's go ahead and get started. Today, we're going to be stuffing $100 towards the $1,000 savings challenge, save $1,000 in 90 days. I do have a fake, or not fake, I do have a $100 prop money bill instead of a real $100 because this is going to go into my high yield savings account, which is in Capital One. So we're going to go ahead and add that to my binder, which I believe is in another binder. So I'll be right back. Okay, so we have the binder here that I need to put this money in. This is technically my savings challenge binder. So we're going to go ahead and add another $100 here. And so now in the bank we have 1,000, 100, 200, 300. So $1,300 in our emergency fund. Slow and steady, it's building back up. And I'm super excited about that. So we're going to put that to the side and go ahead and color 3 of these hearts down here. All right, so we are done with that. We'll put this to the side. Okay. By the way, this candle here I got from Aldi. It's called Pumpkin Cream Cookie. It smells so delicious. Like I really could just eat this candle. But I went back to try to get another one because I only picked up one and I couldn't find it. And that was at the beginning of October. So if you all see this candle at your Aldi, I know they switch out things pretty frequently. Pick this candle up. It smells so good. It has amazing throw. Like I could smell it throughout the whole house. And I have not been to Bath & Body Works this whole year. So I will be going to get my candles for Bath & Body Works, you know, when they have their candle day sale. But other than that, I will be trying to branch out a bit and look for other candles because this was $5.99, I believe. So that's a nice price. All right, let's go ahead and get into this holiday binder, holiday special occasions binder. Okay, so we are going to be finishing up our Christmas challenge. And we need to add, to finish this challenge, we have $510 here, but we're gonna add $100. So we'll technically save $610, but with this challenge, we're supposed to save $600. So we'll be a little over, but that's okay. And we're going to, usually this is white, the stocking, so I don't think I'm going to color this, but I will color the bow. And because I already have my highlighter here, I'll just go ahead and color the bow with that color. All right, so that's it. We have finished the Christmas Savings Challenge. I'm so excited. So we're adding 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and we're going to add that to what we have now. So let's see how much we have total. We should have 610, but I don't know, we'll see. We have 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 610. Yes, so that's correct. Yay, I'm so excited. I will be continuing to cash flow the Christmas savings from paychecks and things like that. So I will be saving more than $610. My original goal was to save $1,000, but we'll see how much I end up saving. I will continue to keep track of it, but I'll probably just go ahead and transfer directly to my Capital One savings account or my online account, just so that way, if there's things that I need to spend, like online shopping, I can do with the money that's already in my bank account. All right, so the next challenge we're going to be starting, which I have waited all year to start this challenge because my intention was to start saving early for this, but I didn't get around to saving until now, but that's okay. So this is the Black Friday challenge, save $300. So we have $80 left, and we're going to add all of that to this challenge here. I got this on Etsy as well as the Christmas Savings Challenge, and I will link those below. So let's go ahead and color in $80. Okay, so I kind of messed up with the coloring, but that's okay. I decided to just color everything one color to make it easier. So $80, so we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 60, 70, 80. So we are adding $80 here today. Here, yeah. All right, so we are done with our challenges for today. All right, so thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for 750 subscribers. I'm so excited, and I will be doing a giveaway sometime soon, so stay tuned for that. And I will see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.